Thanks, Seema and Radhika, for a very wonderful and insightful session. I'm sure everybody in the audience also loved it. We have a few questions that we would like you to answer. So, the first question Radhika has already taken, but again, there's a question from Abdullah Ansai that have you started conversion ads? Can we track it like Facebook Pixel? So, Radhika, if you do not mind, please answer it from here for him again.
Right. So, we have the ShareChat Pixel already live. You can definitely get in touch with us and we will enable it for you. Very soon we will launch it for all of our self-serve users also. You can opt into the Pixel functionality. And as for conversion campaigns, we have not explicitly provided that as, a goal. However, we do some optimization at our own end. And if you request and if we have all of the things wired up at your end, we can definitely work out some solution for you, and we can definitely ingest some events and convert towards those. So yes, please feel free to leave your email with us and your interest. We can get in touch with you and enable the pixel and conversion model for you.
So, Mr. Abdullah, you'll be receiving an email shortly whereby you'll be having the link where you can request the pixel and we will help you integrate it. So, our next question is for you, Seema, whereby Murari Kumar wants to know how potential audiences are there on ShareChat and can he promote his luxury products like diamond jewelry here?
Of course, why not? We would love to welcome you on our platform, Murari. We have premium automobiles, on our platform. We have people who want to, they use filter and they want to target only, let's say, SEC A plus kind of a audience. There are times when you want to target all SECs, but premium buyers of all the products. आप हर तरीके के ऑडियंस को यहाँ पे रीच आउट कर सकते हैं फॉर अ बेटर अंडरस्टैंडिंग, क्योंकि आप बोल रहे हैं डायमंड ज्वेलरी, फॉर अ बेटर अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ योर ऑडियंस आई वुड अप्रिशिएट अगर भावना आपके साथ एक ईमेल शेयर करेंगे. अगर आप उस ईमेल पे आप अपना कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर आप मेरे साथ शेयर करते हैं तो आई वुड एंश्योर दैट वी टॉक 1:1 and we can actually take you through the data that we can provide for your kind of audience.
Just an update for you, Murari. We recently had SNV Shopee, who's again a jewelry customer who ran campaigns successfully with us. So once you share your email ID with us, we'll ask Seema to get you more details on that successful campaign. Another question that we have for you again, there are people who are asking whether they can run ads on Moj. So if you could just tell them when is it possible for them to do it?
Very soon.
Okay, so hold on to your seatbelts and the Moj campaigns can be done very soon and you'll see them on self-serve. So there is one question around an existing customer who says that he's happy with his CTR, which is 0.3, and he's very happy running his campaigns, but he's saying that he's never been able to spend his budgets in full. So what would you suggest to them, Radhika or Seema, whosoever can help him spend more budgets on a particular campaign?
Right. So, first of all, thank you so much for that encouraging feedback. We are more than happy to, be associated with you for a long, long, long time to come. Congratulations on achieving like a fantastic CTR as well. Definitely, as I mentioned, we have our analytics module. So maybe you can see what sort of targeting is working the best for you. What are your top 2 cities? Maybe have a separate campaign dedicated to those 2 cities only, and just see, what is the combination of creative, gender, targeting, and all those sort of rules which are working for you, and just have a separate campaign. Just see कि उसका CTR कैसा आ रहा है. Maybe if you want to increase your bid slightly and see that you are able to spend your entire budget, so that makes you garner more impressions, and do focus on better reach also, because of course impressions aapke deliver ho jayenge with a better bid, but the idea is to reach more and more unique users, right? So just try to find out what combination is giving you the best reach, and probably have some cuts of those. Definitely leave your email ID with us, and we can get in touch on a one-on-one basis with our CST team also, and with us as a product team as well, and we can figure out what is the way to get more spends for your campaigns.
Awesome. So one last question for you, Radhika, which is from Naminathan Bharat. He says that for conversion ads, what is the average cost per lead and with target audience as an entrepreneur? So this is a very
Right.
platform centric question.
That's true, Bhavna. And like this is if we had a one-stop solution to this, I think that would be fantastic. However, this is very industry based, the kind of product that you have, the kind of brand that you have, what is the segment you're targeting and everything. So this is like a very subjective number that you're looking at. Of course, we will be more than happy to, start running a couple of campaigns and see what is that sweet spot which is getting you the relevant impressions, the relevant reach, and clicks as well, the kind of conversions that you're looking for. And then we can see what is the cost you're achieving, how we can maybe reduce that cost without compromising on the quality of your reach or delivery and conversions, right? So that is something we should definitely explore. However, for a number, to be very frank, it's difficult to comment, right? It's very subjective. It depends on the kind of product you have. So yeah, maybe you can take this offline on a separate call and explore what options we have.
I think we've over exceeded the time this time for this session. Thank you all for joining in. We'll keep you posted on our next masterclass very soon, and the recording and the presentation details would be with you on an email shortly. Thanks for joining in. Thanks, Radhika. Thanks, Seema.
Thank you so much, Bhavna. Thanks, everybody.
Thank you so much.